Good morning. It's Saturday. I've obviously not uploaded any of the videos. Obviously being new to this, I'm having GoPro issues. Had to buy some batteries. SD cards are filling up faster than I expected. And then when I'd go to upload some footage to my computer was not wanting to do much with it. Then I got some of that figured out. Was on the struggle bus with the editing software, not wanting to work. And then when I'd go to upload it, there would be some video clips that were missing. So I'm gonna retry this today. But today's video, we are out at my land. We did get my porch poured, and then my father-in-law and I cut it. We did a little bit of a decorative cut and cut some diamonds, but I'm going to get it power washed and sealed. But all we have out here is power. So I've got a IBC tote full of water, gas powered power washer, and I got a Milwaukee transfer pump. We're gonna see if we can get this done. Well, we're about to find out if this thing can run that gas-powered power washer. I think the internet said like 480 gallons per hour. Something like that. I don't know. We're about to find out. I have a small battery in it now, so it may not get us very far. Here goes nothing. We have power washing abilities. Maybe not. This may not work very good. Not going good. It's not consistent. Oh, we might be onto it. Working pretty good. Get all this shit off of here. I'm not taking as much off because I just used standard colored concrete, and we wanted it just a little bit dark, so I'm not taking as much of it off so we don't have as much white in it. But I mean, look at that stamp. That stamp turned out awesome. We used to do a lot of stamped concrete on pools, but haven't done much lately. It's really slippery with wet feet. So I mean, when you're on the porch, obviously your feet aren't as wet unless it's raining out, which you're probably not going to be out here. But around a pool deck, it's pretty hard to prevent wet feet. So I'll get this power washed and we'll see what happens. I think we're gonna have more than enough water. We're actually working really well. So if anybody's trying to come up with a way to do some mobile water or something around their property, that Milwaukee transfer pump does the trick. The power washer I normally use is a little too many gallons per minute for this, so just brought my power washer from home that I use just to clean my tractor. Approaching halfway. Well, we're about done with the first power wash. I'm going to go through and power wash all the cracks out. You want to make sure you get all this milky water out of it, so when you blow dry you don't have a bunch of streaks. And then you seal it, that stuff's there forever. So we're getting close. Very happy with the power wash setup. A buddy of mine told me about it. He kind of was doing the same thing with his, watering his garden and all that. So helps to have good friends, that's for sure. Stamp got a little light over there. My brother and father-in-law helped me stamp this, so I thank them for coming out and doing that with me. Alright, let's get these cracks power washed out. Sounds like I'm gonna run out of gas. Ran out of gas before I ran out of battery. Alright, we're all power washed, time to dry it up. had one dark spot right here that we wanted to try to lighten up and blend a little bit more. So we're hitting it for round 2. Should help. Patio's dry. Get some leaves off, and then we're gonna hit it with some sealer. Get this thing pumped up. I already have leaves back on the patio. You ready, babe? Fighting these things like crazy. It'll be all right. I'm gonna put 2 coats on this thing. We'll let this one dry. Then we'll do a second. time for the second coat. This stuff dries quick. Yeah. Remember, I had to snow blow the concrete blankets because we got all that snow before the framers showed up.
So, I mean, that was in December when the slab got poured.
The wind keeps changing directions. There, it's really picking up. Really? It's a losing battle out here. That's a wrap. I don't see any that needs hit again. Okay, that's a wrap for this video. We got the concrete all sealed up. Oh, got my shadow in it. Turned out great. We'll get the YouTube thing figured out and get all the editing figured out, but if you like these videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.